my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Stitchfix. Okay, hello, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. This is my September Stitchfix. I left a note, but I'm not real sure what's in here. So we'll go over my paperwork in just a second. Now, I think most of us are pretty familiar with Stitchfix. If you're not, I will leave a link over my left shoulder to an iCard to another Stitchfix video, which gives you all the information and anything you may know. I will leave my link in the description box. If you use my link, you will receive $25 off your first Stitchfix, off your first fix, which goes a long way to a purchase, something I really appreciate. Okay, all right, and if you use my link, I want to thank you very, very much in advance for using my link. All right, so here's a return envelope. Here is our bundle. I am in the dress I got in my Stitchfix last month, I believe. I really, really like it. We did a capsule wardrobe. I really like it. I'll pop that up in an iCard for you. Okay, oh yes, I do believe I asked for cozy fall. I don't remember now. I don't remember. All right, so here's my style card. All right, let's see what it is. Catherine is my stylist while my Madison is away. She's out for a little while on maternity leave. Okay, your style delivered. This is, which fix is this for me? Number 30. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay, hi Favor. I'm so happy that you are enjoying your fixes. I have been styling Christy, I knew that, Christy for a long time, and I love that you have a connection. I couldn't find the chaser top I sent her, but I will check again next time. Also, no luck on a red top for your skirt. Okay, let me tell you what I did find and how I've created another capsule wardrobe for you. She does that really well. She's great at putting things together like that. I really appreciate that. Christy from Georgia Sunshine is who she's referencing. The Market and Spruce knit top can be worn with the leggings for a cozy style that you can wear in the evening in Katy. I've also included a Renee C top that you can try with your new navy skirt. Okay, I think the patterns will work well together. Use the Love Ellie cardigan over the top to pull it all together. All these pieces can mix and match. Please let me know your favorite combinations. I hope to style you again soon, Catherine. Alrighty, so let's get into here. I'm gonna open up my price sheet. Oh, I'm gonna throw it on the floor first. There we go. Okay. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's a pretty good priced fix. I appreciate that. All right, are you ready? Because I'm ready. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. Oh, you guys, and it's so soft. Oh, it's really, really soft. Nice 3/4 sleeve. Yeah, it's a 3/4 sleeve. It's just great for here in Katy, here in Texas, because it's not quite hot here until cool. It's not quite cool here. It's always hot here until late October into November. Sometimes we get a peak at a cool front here and there, September, October, but if we're lucky. Okay, this is the Pink Clover. All right, this is the Pink Clover Denver Front Twist Brushed. What is that noise? I don't know what that noise was. Okay, this is the Pink Clover Denver Front Twist Brushed Dark Pink in a small for $38. I really like this. I hope this fits me. I'm still getting used to my sizes, you guys. Yes, I've just lost a lot of weight and I'm getting used to my sizes. I don't know how things are gonna fit on me, so it's really hard for me to know. I absolutely love this. I think it's really, really cute. You could also wear this, not just what she sent, but with like white denim, anything you wanted really. Okay, I hope that fits. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that, is gorgeous. That is really pretty. Okay, what is this? This is, I like this a lot. This is by Verve. This is by Verve. Where is this? What is this? This says Verve. There's nothing on here that says Verve. MTLA, Pink Clover, Renee C, Market and Spruce, Love Ellie. So this must be the Renee C, Jory. I don't know what she's talking about. Maybe the wrong item was sent to me. I might need to send them an email. But either way, I love this. I really like it. So is this, because this is a Verve. Nothing here says Verse. So, oh, okay. It's just got the wrong name. This is Renee C. It's the Verse. Okay, Jory split neck top in navy in a small, $40. Okay, they just had the wrong brand there. Okay, I really like this. Really, really like this. I hope this fits me. Again, this would be great with denim, with white, with whatever she has sent in here. Yes. Ooh, this is different. What are you? You are Market and Spruce. This is the Carlotta Hooded Dolman. Ooh, $58. I don't know how I feel about Dolmans. Sometimes I really like them and sometimes they annoy me because I can like feel my arm against my body. Anyway, but I'm a sucker for a hoodie. Oh, and a striped hoodie to boot. This one's really cute. Oh, look, and this up in here. Now, I do like to get dressed up. Don't get me wrong, but when I'm going to be flying, I really want to be comfortable. And lately, I have been flying in my leggings. I just heard it beep again. Okay, sorry, my phone was buzzing. Okay, lately I really like to travel in something like this, especially because we fly Spirit a lot. So this little pocket here in the front comes in handy. And this looks very, very comfortable. Okay, I really like that. We'll see what it looks like on. Dolman can be tricky for me. All right, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful, lightweight burgundy cardigan. I love this. With the pocket here in the front, kind of like that boyfriend style cardigan that everybody's loving right now. You know who else would love this? Miss Christie. Let's see. This is Love Ellie. Love Ellie Adelle 2-pocket Pointelle cardigan, burgundy in a small for $44. I absolutely love this. Yes. You're going to be hard pressed to get me not to love that cardigan. I love the color burgundy. I absolutely love it. Okay, now these are knit leggings. I can feel them. They're nice and comfortable. I do love leggings like this. They're lined. They have a fleece lining on the inside. This is by MTLA. Let's see. MTLA Kristen Fleece legging in a medium for $28. They're really cute. Really, really cute. I actually hate to try these on if I'm not 100% going to keep them because they will never look this pressed and new again, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep them because I love leggings. Normally I wear my Zella leggings, which I will leave linked for you because they are heavenly leggings. They're the best, and I size up in them because I don't like them to suck me in. I just want them to be comfortable. And you can work out in them. I lounge in them. I wear them to fly in. They're just comfortable for me. I don't necessarily run in them. I am a runner. I wear Under Armour to run. Okay, so side note, squirrel. So here we go. I am definitely going to try these on. These are so soft and so comfortable feeling. I know I'm going to love them. Okay, all right. Let me go try these on. I'll be right back. Here are the MTLA Kristen Fleece leggings and the Market and Spruce Carlotta Hooded Dolman. I actually really like this. Now my problem is I'm not really 100% sure how you're supposed to wear a dolman. Like it's fitted down through here. It's really long. If I pull it all the way down, it's really long. Let me set this down here. I don't think we're supposed to wear it like this, obviously. But so I would pull it up, kind of pull it, mess with it a little bit. But it's not too big. Like my skin doesn't touch my skin under here and drive me crazy. So I'm very comfortable with this. I actually really like this. It is a 3/4 sleeve, which is nice for the fall, early fall here in Texas, because it's not always really cold, but it is cold inside because they over air condition everything. So I really like these. Now I'm wearing this. There's some dust on my leg. I'm wearing this with 2 different shoes here. I hope that you can see them. I think that you can. These are 2 of my most favorite shoes coming up for fall. They have wedges in them. I will link them for you in the description box. I keep singing the praises of these shoes. They are so comfortable. They're so comfortable. They're not a bootie. They're a sneaker, but they look like a bootie. And they have a little bitty wedge in them, and they're so cute. So cute. I couldn't decide which color. I would probably wear the black, but there you go. I really hope that you can see these shoes. Okay, this is the Pink Clover Denver front twist brushed top. It's so soft. This is dark pink and it's $38. I really like this. Now, I would not wear it with these leggings. It's just not. She didn't suggest wearing it with the leggings, but I wouldn't. It's just too high up here, right here in the front, but I will keep this. I love this. This is super comfortable. Something I would definitely wear. I don't think it's too big. I think it fits nicely. It's nice and comfortable. I would actually pair this with a pair of white denim. For winter, it's okay to wear white after Labor Day. That rule is antiquated and over with. Don't even worry about it anymore. It doesn't exist. But even with some black denim and my black booties here, my sneakers, wedge sneakers, I feel like this is a wonderful outfit to have. So I'm going to change into some denim and then show you the rest of the outfit. I'll show you this again real quick. Be right back. There we go. That's much better. So you can see, throw it with some black denim, gray denim, any of it. I think it would look really nice. So that's one thing I need to request from Stitch Fix is I definitely need some denim. Okay, so here is the Verde Joy split neck top for $40. I really like this top. I love it with the white denim and my sneakers here, my wedge sneakers. I really, really like this. And as it is quite warm here in Texas, it's always nice to have a tank, and you can add a cardigan. So here's the cardigan she sent. This is the Love Ellie burgundy cardigan. Oh, this is nice. I really like this. And it's a lightweight cardigan, straight, flat front. Yeah, I like this. This is the type of cardigan I really like. I don't like them longer too, but I like this length. This is a good length. It's a nice fit. It's very comfortable. It's lightweight for here in Texas, and it looks really good with this top. I really like this outfit. This for sure is me in the fall. This is how I like to dress. She nailed it. She sent me in a box again. She did such a great job. Catherine, you are awesome. Thank you so much. I can see why Christy loves you so much. So there you go. Now I want some full length white denim. So maybe the next box we ask for from Stitch Fix needs to be denim, because I definitely need. I'm not a fan of the ankle length denim. I prefer a full length straight leg denim and a cuff. That's really what I like. So there we go. Okay. Good job, Catherine. All right, let's wrap it up. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. This top is $40, the cardigan is $44, and I am definitely keeping those. I absolutely love them. This brushed top is by Love Ellie. No, that's the cardigan. This is the Pink Clover for $38. Definitely keeping that. I love it. I love that everything goes with everything. Keeping it. I love this capsule wardrobe idea. The leggings are by MTLA. They're incredibly comfortable, super soft, very warm but not too warm. $28. They're staying with me. And this Dolman top. Now this is the only one that gives me pause, but I'm not going to send it back because it's fine. It's just, Dolman is not my favorite, but this one fits pretty well. I like it with the leggings. I'll wear this regardless, whether I'm traveling in it or just wearing it around the house. It will be worn, and it was very comfortable. And it was, you know, it's one of those things you do the Stitch Fix math. It doesn't make sense to send it back if it's just one item. So this is the, where is it? Market and Spruce Carlotta hooded Dolman. It's $58, but it's $52 discount if I keep everything. So I'm basically paying what, $6 for this. So the Stylist Picks total is $208. My buy all discount of $52. So my total is $156. And thanks to you guys clicking on my link. Thank you so much. Your names are pulling across the screen right here. You guys are amazing. When we had that $50 credit for trying Stitch Fix, you guys clicked on my link, and I sincerely can't thank you enough for that. It really means everything for me. It is expensive running a YouTube channel, and especially a channel like this, and when you click on my link, it really supports the channel, and I sincerely appreciate it. I know all of us do. So even if you don't click on my link, I appreciate your clicking on anybody's link. It's really appreciated. Thank you. So basically this box for me is completely free. I've actually never had that happen before. I hope Stitchfix runs that $50 credit again, not just for your benefit, but for mine as well. I mean, that was an amazing opportunity they offered all of us. So I think that's awesome. I'm glad you had that chance. So I'm glad we all had that chance. Anyway, so I'm keeping everything, and I'm really excited about that. Kristen, isn't it Kristen? Kristen was this past weekend. Catherine, you did an excellent job. Thank you so much. You guys are going to see this cardigan over and over and over. It is so soft and comfortable, and it fits me so nicely. I like the way it fits. It's very comfortable. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave everything linked for you in the description box, including the names of the pieces, their price tags, and that type of thing. I'll also try and find them on my Pinterest board and try and pin them on the board, so if you want to send your stylist straight to the pin, if there's something I have here that you really enjoy. So there you go. All right, I'll try and be as helpful as I can. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again for clicking on my link. I sincerely appreciate it. You truly, thank you. And we will see you next time. Bye.